Every Dana Pro amplifier comes pre-configured with the factory IP address 192.168.0.8 and is set to master mode by default. To prepare the amplifier rack, it's important to assign unique IP addresses that are compatible with your network and switch all amplifier except one to slave mode. To begin, connect a single amplifier to your PC. Access the network connections on your PC, select the network adapter, and set its IP to a static address within the 192.168.0 network range. Using a web browser, type 192.168.0.8 into the address bar and log in with the default credentials, the username, admin, and the password, m.a.g. Navigate to the config section, open the rack settings tab, and change the amplifier's mode to slave. After the amplifier restarts, log in again to confirm the mode change. Then, proceed to the LAN settings, assign the planned IP address for the amplifier, and save your changes. At this point, the amplifier will reboot and no longer be accessible, as it will have shifted to a network outside the current PC configuration. Repeat this process for each slave amplifier in the rack. Once all slave amplifiers have been configured, connect the intended master amplifier to your PC. Open your browser, navigate to 192.168.0.8, and log in again. Leave the amplifier in master mode, then go to the LAN settings, set the planned IP address for the master amplifier, and save the configuration to restart it. Next, update your PC's network settings to match the newly configured amplifier network. Use the master amplifier's updated IP to log in through your browser. Navigate to the Rack Settings tab and remove any existing rack configurations, if present. Create a new rack by selecting Create Rack and entering the rack name. Then, add devices by inputting the IP addresses of all slave amplifiers. Once completed, the system will display all amplifiers in the rack, fully configured and ready for the next steps.